Good morning, students. We will discuss the virus in this topic. So today we discuss the next one is the disease caused by virus. We have discussed the various disease that are caused by the virus, and some of the viral disease cause the human being. The virus are caused by the both plants, animals, and human being. The viral disease are generally spread by the several things, by the air, by the water, by contamination, by several things. Present time the coronavirus present that the virus, corona is a virus, the COVID-19, and this virus is spreading by the soil surface, by breathing, by touching, any conditions. So these diseases are very harmful for the human body because these diseases are making the systems of the nervous system, respiratory system, digestion system, different type of the system of the body are damaged. Generally, they are infected with a particular system, and due to the infection of this system, that is the disease is caused till that. That means generally this disease, when the early diagnosis is not present, the several of the human being are die with this disease. That is main thing. Corona, there is no vaccine present. Second thing is generally the maximum virus are generally they are pleomorphic in nature. What is the meaning of the pleomorphic in nature? It means they are change their shape, they change their structure in the different organism. For example, मुझे मान लीजिए एक वायरल डिजीज हुई, ठीक है, एंड मुझे जो डिजीज़ है वायरल डिजीज़ वो इन्फेक्ट हुआ दूसरा व्यक्ति, मान लें मेरे पास में दूसरा व्यक्ति मेरे कांटेक्ट में आया, वो इन्फेक्टेड हो गया, उसको डिजीज हो गई, तो जो वैक्सीन मेरे लिए बनी है वो उस पर असर करेगी नहीं कह सकते हम लोग. क्लियर है? कहने का मतलब है वायरस चेंज देयर शेप, साइज, स्ट्रक्चर इज चेंज. So the antibodies are not formed in each body for the virus. So that is we are utilize the different ways of the treatment. Clear? That is the changing nature of the virus structure in the different organism, different type of the living beings. That known as the particularly known as the pleomorphic nature. Okay. Second thing is the virus is specific for the particular organism. Virus is specific for the particular organism is living being. It means the virus cause the disease in plants, that is the plant virus. Virus cause the disease in the animals, that is animal virus. Virus cause disease in the human being, the human virus. Clear? So these viruses are specific for a particular animal, particular plant, particular human being. Clear? They are spreading with their community. In a community, they are spread with the help of the different type of the contamination process. Clear? For example, we discuss here the corona disease, COVID-19. This virus disease is caused the corona disease, and this has affected the respiratory system, immune system. They are affect the respiratory system mainly. So this disease are change their different strains. Present time the scientists have discovered the 11 type of the strain of the corona disease. Corona is a family, and there are so many diseases of the corona family, but the COVID-19 is the best, strongest violent strain. But the strain means we are human being, but we are differ from each other. That is known as the strain. So corona is a family that contains different type of the coronavirus, but the COVID-19 is a virus that is the most violent strain. Why? Because due to the infection of this virus, generally when the immunity of the particular human being body is weak, and then it will die. ठीक है, अगर किसी की इम्यूनिटी वीक है तो क्या होगा, वो या एज ओल्ड एज कहते हैं, वो क्या होगा, उसकी इम्यूनिटी वीक होती है तो वो डाई हो जाता है, दैट इज डेथ. सो वी कैन से वायरस cause a disease. Virus disease are infected by the several process, by water, by air, by contamination, different ways. And there are several diseases of the virus. Only few diseases of the virus are present. Those are treated with particular vaccine. Those are treated with a particular vaccine. It means vaccination is present of the from viral disease. So, present time we know very well the corona disease vaccine are research are making by the several type of the several countries. Particularly, we can say several type of the vaccine are formed by the different countries, but present time no vaccine are formed for the recognized for the WHO. इट मीन्स सब अलग अलग कंट्री बना रही है, बहुत सारी वैक्सीन बन रही है, लेकिन वो कारगर होगी कि नहीं होगी, इसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा, साइड इफेक्ट क्या होगा, कितने समय के लिए वो सेफ होगी, हाउ मच टाइम बॉडी के अंदर प्रेजेंट रहेगी, कब तक वो आपको प्रोटेक्ट करेगी, इसका अभी तक कोई भी प्रमाण नहीं है, कोई भी साइंटिफिक रिसर्च का एविडेंस नहीं है हमारे पास. ठीक है, पहली चीज़. दूसरा चीज़ आपने सुना होगा कोरोना के लिए प्लाज्मा थेरेपी, बिकॉज those are corona patient and after that they are recover from the corona, that they develop the antibody in their body. So these antibody are helpful for the other person, but that chance is the 50-50%. These antibody are work easily in the other body, maybe or not. Clear? So generally we can say the viral disease are not destroy the completely, we are inhibit the viral disease for the infection. So the protection is the very important in the viral disease, any type of viral disease. The protection is must for the any type of the viral disease. Clear? So we are discuss here some viral disease, and these diseases are: first, the human disease. Human disease, there are following disease caused by the virus in human being, caused by virus in a human being. These are summarized in the form of the this way, at the AIDS, AIDS, and it is not A. These are the first letter of the E disease, and we make a 4, 4, 4 and 4 group. We can say we had A here, and another disease that known as the C for corona. C for corona. Clear? So these are the first letter of the E disease. Clear? And we are make a term, a trick, that it is AIDS, MCPM, MPCM. AIDS, MPCM, HERD, HERN is the terms. ठीक है, आप इसको चेंज कर सकते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू. जैसे MPCM को एड्स हुआ, ये एड्स MPCM, एड्स MPKCM को हुआ. ठीक है, हर्ड HER हर्ड, उससे उसको हर्ड हुआ, एंड एजैक इन टाइप ऑफ कंडीशंस. जैसे अगर हिंदी में हम बात करें तो मैंने हिंदी में टर्म बनाई है, ए हामाडेक पोइलम जुकाम रे, ए हामाडेक पोइलम जुकाम रे. ठीक है, that is terms. So we are make the term a trick for the disease, and these are the disease, first letter, then the disease name, then the virus name. There are 3 points here. So first we discuss the AIDS. A for AIDS, 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 and it causes the which HIV. You know very well, AIDS causes the HIV. And no vaccination of the AIDS present time. There is no vaccination of the AIDS. Second, I influenza virus, orthovirus that causes the influenza. Third one is the D, dengue virus. Third one is the D, dengue virus causes the disease. Okay, and this disease are caused by the some dengue mosquito, and spread by the some as smallpox, variola virus, smallpox, variola virus. These four words are make a first term is the AIDS. Clear? Second, we are discuss here MPCM. These are the four term MPCM and MPCM. We are discuss M for mumps, mump virus. P for polio, poliomyelitis, polio virus. C कॉमन कोल्ड. इस टाइम पे जो मौसम चेंज होता है, क्लाइमेट चेंज होता है, तो हमें सर्दी जुकाम खांसी जो आती है, हल्का सा फीवर आता है. एट द कॉमन कोल्ड द राइनो वायरस, एट द राइनो वायरस जो एक उसमें स्प्रेड हो जाता है. अगर घर में किसी एक को आई फ्लू होता है सबको जाता है, घर में किसी को सर्दी जुकाम हुआ सबको जाता है. दैट इज द कॉमन कोल्ड राइनो वायरस. एम मीजल्स, एम इज द मीजल्स, मीजल वायरस. ई नेक्स्ट वन इज द ई इबोला वायरस, जीका वायरस, हर्पीज वायरस और वेरिसोला चिकन पॉक्स वायरस. तो EZSC. हेयर हेपेटाइटिस, HBV वायरस. हेपेटाइटिस मीन्स HB वायरस, HBV. आई फ्लू, ऑक्यूलर इन्फ्लुएंजा, रेबीज, रोबेटा वायरस एंड निपा वायरस. क्लियर? एट प्रेजेंट टाइम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वायरस दैट इज द C. Another is coronavirus. Clear? So these are the disease caused by the virus in human being. And I again say these are the specific for the human being. The disease is not caused by the and not caused inside the animals. You know very well the Nipah virus. कुछ समय पहले Nipah virus आया था केरला में. जो फ्रूट बैट किससे आएगा? बैट से, चकमार जिसे कहते हैं, उनसे डिजीज कॉज हुई थी. ठीक है, निपा वायरस आया था. जीका वायरस, इबोला वायरस, ये द फेमस वायरस. सेम थिंग इज द एस, अनदर एस, द स्वाइन फ्लू वायरस. एंड द H1N1 वायरस. स्वाइन फ्लू कॉज बाय द H1N1. ठीक है. And this is the COVID-19. These are the virus. Present time in we can say in Rajasthan next year before 2019 about the 325 people are die with the H1N1 swine flu virus. In present time in Rajasthan 2000 people are die with the H1N1. But present time the coronavirus is very important as compared to H1N1. So swine flu generally we are not consider here, but the coronavirus are considered because it is a international disaster. And what is the swine flu is known as the remaining back in the H1N1. These are the disease. There are so many other disease. Those are caused by the virus in the animals, but they are specific for the animals. Clear? Second, we discuss the plant disease. Some plant disease. These are the plant disease. These are the plant disease. First is the TMD. TMD, tobacco mosaic disease. Short form is TMD, tobacco mosaic disease, and it is caused by the TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. The first discovered virus. Second, TNV, the disease. TNV, so TND. Second is the TND. TND, tobacco necrosis virus. Tobacco necrosis virus. First the TND, mosaic virus. Second the necrosis virus. Necrosis means the tissue are damaged. Leaves के अंदर होल मिल जाते हैं, ब्रेक हो जाती है, कटी फटी जाती है. The tissue are damaged. Necrosis is damage of tissue. It is caused by the TNV, tobacco necrosis virus. Third one is the yellow vein mosaic virus. It is short form. It is known as the YVMV disease. ठीक है, तो वी नो disease name is YVMD. yellow vein mosaic disease. It is not a disease. Clear? It is not a disease and it is caused by the yellow vein mosaic virus. And this disease present in the hibiscus plant, Malvaceae family, hibiscus plant, China rose plant. So it is known as the hibiscus virus. Present in the a new name, that is hibiscus virus. We can say yellow YVMV भी बोल सकते हैं इसको. Why? Because it is the yellow vein mosaic virus in hibiscus plants, Malvaceae family. So it is known as the hibiscus virus. Next the CMD. CMD. C for cauliflower. वो भी जो हम कहते हैं cauliflower mosaic disease. Then the CME cauliflovirus. Cauliflower disease by the cauliflovirus. Clear? PLRD. Next disease is the PLRD. What is the meaning of the PLRD? P for potato leaf roll disease. Potato leaf roll disease. इसमें क्या होगा? The leaf of potato are roll. क्या होगी? रोल हो जाती है. जो फ्लैट लीफ थी कहीं रोल हो जाएगी like this. So it is the potato leaf roll disease. Virus name is PLRV. This is the PLRV, potato leaf roll virus. Clear? Next we discuss the animal disease. Foot and mouth disease. FMD. Foot and mouth disease. That is the FMD. And it is caused by the FMV, foot and mouth virus. Clear? So this is a disease. Generally, the disease name are according to their virus. We can say another way, the virus name according to their disease. Generally, TMV, TNV, TND, YMD. Generally, the virus name is according to their disease. Clear? So we have discussed the type of a disease that caused by the virus in the human being, plant and animals. Clear? And that is a trick. Generally in the medical exam the question is, there are 4 diseases are given and also is the question is there are 4 diseases given and question which one is caused by the virus. We have discussed earlier the bacterial disease. This is a viral disease. So the diseases are in a question 4 diseases are given and उसमें क्या पूछते हैं, how many diseases are caused by the virus and how many diseases are caused by the bacteria. There are 10 disease names are present and पूछ लिया उसमें से आपसे how many. The question is how many diseases are caused by the virus. So these are the viral disease. Clear? And bacterial disease I discussed earlier. So that is the difference between the viral disease and bacterial disease. ठीक है.